This is Michigan Moments, rediscovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State. Bay City lies at the mouth of Saginaw Bay. It was built on lumber, fire, and ambition. At the start of the 20th century, the Saginaw River wasn't just a waterway, it was the center line of industry, labor, and daily life. Sawmills lined both banks. Steamships slid past downtown docks. Work whistles split the morning stillness. Timber barons built three-story mansions. Brick, slate, and ornament said everything about the wealth the lumber industry generated. But even fortunes change. By the early 1900s, the large trees had disappeared. The city had to shift. Sugar beets replaced pine. The German-American Sugar Company opened in 1901. Others soon followed. Entire neighborhoods worked the harvest, the boilers, the refining floor. Rail lines pulsed with freight. The Michigan Central Depot became a gateway for workers, families, and mail-order homes, shipped in from Aladdin's massive Bay City plant, one of the nation's first prefab housing operations. Then came fire. On Christmas Eve, 1906, the Fraser House Hotel caught fire and was destroyed. It was Bay City's finest. The blaze lasted hours. For many, that fire marked the end of the lumber era. Across the river was another town, West Bay City. It had its own identity, its own depot, its own pride. But in 1905, the two cities voted to join forces. One city, one future. It's 1908 on the riverfront, and Winona Park became the public heart of the city. The Winona Hotel, once one of the finest in the state, overlooked the green where bands played and crowds gathered. The park and the hotel reflected Bay City's aspirations, to be more than just industrial, to be a destination. Electric interurban cars linked Bay City with Saginaw and nearby towns on the Saginaw-Bay City line, with a popular spur to Winona Beach. In early April 1912, high water from rain and runoff covered low-lying stretches of track. Postcards dated April 8th show rails underwater on the Bay City-Saginaw route. This is a town that burned and rebuilt, split and reunited, shipped timber and steel, and helped build homes across the country. Bay City didn't stay frozen in time. It changed because it had to. Thanks for watching. Please follow us for future episodes. This has been Michigan Moments, offering bite-sized morsels of Michigan history.